Want to explore Phuket's stunning islands without draining your wallet? From secret beaches to affordable boat trips, I'll show you how to island hop like a pro on a budget. Let's travel smartly and make every baht count. Sawadee ka! Welcome back to Travel Smartly. In today's episode, I'll show you how to island hop around Phuket and still stick to your budget. Phuket is surrounded by incredible islands: Coral Island, Phi Phi, Hai Nai, Ratchayai, even James Bond Island. But here's the thing. You don't need to blow your budget to enjoy them. Let me show you how. From Rawai or Auchalon Pier, hop on a group longtail boat to Coral Island, Hai Nai or Ratchayai. You'll pay around 500 to 800 baht per person. Great value for a few hours of adventure. Want to visit Phi Phi Island? Take the public ferry from Rasada Pier. It's about 350 baht one way. Book at the pier or through local travel apps. Phang Nga Bay has limestone cliffs and sea caves you can explore by kayak. These tours cost around 1,500 to 2,000 baht. More expensive but worth it. Pack light: swimsuit, sunscreen, waterproof bag, and cash. Some islands don't have ATMs or shops. Many tours include snorkeling gear and lunch, but always ask before booking. You don't need a big budget to experience Thailand's island magic. Just plan smart, ask around, and enjoy the ride. Subscribe for more smart travel tips, and let us know in the comments which island do you want us to cover next.